Hi students, this is your today's class. Already in the previous video we have completed up to 25th sum. This is from 26th sum. So listen children, 26th first question is cosecant power 6a minus cot power 6a equal to 3 into cot squared a into cosecant squared a plus 1. We need to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. How we prove? Listen, cosecant power 6a va. So 6 na square whole cube va. 3 2s are 6. So I converted the term into square term. That means I converted the form a cube minus b cube form. So listen, how we split this? Cosecant squared a the whole cube minus cot squared a the whole cube. If you convert this, the power does not change. It's in the formation of a cube minus b cube. You need to expand the term in the formula of a cube minus b cube. So a cube, then what's the formula? A minus b the whole cube. Okay, plus next 3 into cosecant squared a into cos squared a into cosecant squared a minus cot squared a. Will you understand? In that cosecant squared a is a, cot squared a is b. Expand in the formula of a minus b the whole cube, a cube minus b cube form. Next listen, here cosecant squared a minus cot squared a 1 now plus 3 into cot squared a cosecant squared a is sum. Here cosecant squared a minus cot squared a 1 now. Will you understand children? So 1 plus 1 multiple with this you will be getting same thing. So 3 cot squared a cosecant squared a, that is the right hand side answer. Simple. First expand the a cube minus b cube formula, directly you will get the answer. I hope you understand this sum. Next 26 is second sum homework, 27, 28 is the homework. Trigonometry it's the easiest content. Listen 29 first. Sin cube a plus cos cube a divided by sin a plus cos a plus sin cube a minus cos cube a divided by sin a minus cos a is equal to 2. So we need to prove the all those left hand side values equal to 2. How we prove this? Listen. Same in the previous form. This is in the formula of a cube plus b cube. Here we have a cube minus b cube. First you need to expand the term. So a cube plus b cube. So what's the formula for a cube plus b cube? A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here sin a is a, cos a is b. So a plus b na sin a plus cos a into a square sin square a minus ab. Up sin a into cos a plus b square cos square a divided by sin a plus cos a. In the same formation, you need to expand the second term in the formula of a cube minus b cube. So a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square divided by sin a plus cos a. Is it clear children? After this listen, sin a cos a cancel. Here cos a sin a cos a cancel. What's the remaining? Listen, sin squared a cos squared a minus sin a cos a. Here sin squared a cos squared a value is 1 now. So how do we convert this? Instead of this it's 1. So 1 minus sin a cos a. Is it clear? Next here also sin squared a cos squared a 1. So 1 plus sin a cos a. Okay. Now listen, it's addition only. Minus sin a cos a plus sin a cos a cancel. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Is it clear? So what we need to prove this sum? We need to prove that solution is 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence it's proved. Is it clear children? Next, our 30th sum is homework sum. Listen 31st question. From 31st to 35 is the different model, but it's very simple. Listen, 31st question. If sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 sin into 90 minus theta, we need to show that cot theta equal to root 2 plus 1. How we show this? Listen, first I am going to take the left hand side. What is left hand side? Sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 into sin of 90 minus theta. Listen ma. Next, sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 sin 90 minus theta cos theta. We know that already we studied in 9th. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Next listen. For right hand side we need to prove cot theta equal to root 2 plus 1. So we need cot theta. So for getting a cot theta, both left hand side, right hand side, you can divide it by sin theta. So sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta divided by sin theta. Next split the term. Sin theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta equal to root 2 cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Next listen. Sin theta by sin theta 1 cos theta by sin theta cos by sin cot theta equal to root 2 into cot theta. Will you understand? Next, need to bring cot separately and constant term separately. So 1 equal to root 2 cot theta minus cot theta. So in this, take cot theta as common. In this, take cot theta common, remaining root 2 minus 1. So 1 equal to cot of root 2 minus 1. What we need to prove? Cot theta equal to root 2 plus 1. So just I kept cot theta alone here. Bring this root 2 minus 1 to left hand side. So 1 divided by root 2 minus 1 is equal to cot theta. It's a rationalization. So rationalization, what we need to do? We need to take a conjugate. Okay, how we take a conjugate? Listen. 1 by root 2 minus 1 into root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. So numerator multiple with the numerator, denominator multiple with the denominator. 1 into root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus 1. Here a squared minus b squared. Root cancel. 2 minus 1, 1. So automatically cot theta equal to root 2 plus 1. Is it clear, children? Next, 32nd sum is your homework sum. Listen, 33rd question. If secant theta plus tan theta equal to m and secant theta minus tan theta is equal to n. Okay, prove that mn equal to 1. So what we need to prove? Mn term is equal to 1. Okay, listen. First I take right hand side. Okay, see. What is the proof? Sorry, it's not right hand side, it's left hand side only. What's the proof? Mn equal to 1. First I am going to do the multiple with the mn. So mn equal to what is mn? Secant theta plus tan theta into what is n? Secant theta minus tan theta. Is it clear, children? So multiple this. What's the condition is this? A plus b into a minus b. What condition is this? A plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So cosecant square theta minus tan square theta. So cosecant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Next, 34th question is your homework sum. So listen, 35th question. It's a last question in this exercise. Listen. If x equal to h plus a cos theta, y equal to k plus a sin theta, we need to prove that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square. We need to prove this. Shall we prove now? How we prove? Listen. What is the first one? X equal to h plus a sin theta. Here h is constant. I take it left hand side. So x minus h equal to a cos theta. Next, y equal to k plus a sin theta. I take that k to left hand side. So y minus k equal to a into sin theta. Now listen, we need to prove x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square. So we need a square term in terms of addition. So I will do both the two equations square and add. I am going to do square and add. Square and add now, first left hand side the same pressure right hand side also. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. This is clear. Square pannu add pannu equal to a cos theta na a squared cos theta plus a sin theta na a squared sin theta. In this take a squared as common. What's the remaining? Cos squared theta plus sin squared theta. Cos squared theta plus sin squared theta is equal to 1. So 1 into a squared. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to a square. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Children, I hope you all understand these sums. If you have doubt, ask me separately. And up to this, trigonometry identities chapter gets over. Chapter 18 you have only one exercise we have completed. This is the last video for this chapter. And I will send you the class copy, homework, everything. You need to complete it. Thank you, children.